Here we are with the little cuddle pots and piddle pies. Yes, they're just getting absolutely gorgeous now. They're in a bigger compartment sort of now, giving them a bit more room. So they've got their kind of bed there with a few soft toys that they snuggle up to. They're all moving around just beautifully now, getting their own little personalities, cheeky, and starting to actually play with each other. Look at those, so gorgeous. That little girl with the white head, she has got the most gorgeous blue eyes. A few of the others have got blue eyes too. I think it's the one with the blue collar. Yeah, they're gorgeous babies. Hey, you're gorgeous babies, you are. In a sleepy train, you're on the sleepy train. Yeah, they're gorgeous. They're eating some solid food now. In solid, I mean mush. But they get stuck into it like you wouldn't believe. So I'll have to put a little video on of them at their meal time. So hope you like the puppy cam and enjoy the paint pouring video next. Yeah, I'm getting carried away with this. So gorgeous. Good morning and welcome. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I've got a real old rickety, very used canvas that I've been doing testing on, and I've scraped it a few times. I have got a cup that I'd filled previously for a previous pour, and I'd got 1 cup left over, so I thought I'm just going to film it in case it turns out a real good little flip cup. It was I had navy, turquoise, pink, violet, magenta, and I had a sand colour, but I'm not sure where I got from. So I thought I'd definitely do a video on it in case it just turns out a beaut little thing like they normally do when you haven't got your camera running and you wish you had. So let's, without further ado, let's do this flip. So it has been, that particular little cup has been sitting there about 20 minutes with that paint in. So it might go all muddy, it might not. So I'm just going to see what we get. I might pour a bit of white so it kind of like goes like a ghost swipe around it, pouring the white over it. Let's just see what this does to it. It's just a quick little video for you. Oh, look at that effect there. That is strange. This one I might just kind of burp the paint out, which is like this. So it's burping it underneath. Wow. All right. Look at the cells already coming up. Wow. So yeah, that was just with a spare cup of paint that I'd got left over, and this poor old canvas that's had about 20 different tests on it with different paints. Then I scraped it because just keep on trying to try different things, techniques, and just tilting your canvas gently around. Wow. Let me get that last bits out of the cup to go over my edges, the very corners, and see what we get. So sometimes the ones that you least expect come out the best, and sometimes they don't. So we'll just see how we go with this. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel and for commenting. You've been leaving me some lovely comments of late, and I've got a wonderful, wonderful audience, and I thank you guys so much. Really do appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, so it's kind of a flip, a bit of a burping out, and then I lipped the paint through it just to give it something. So what I will do is get my Wonder Wand. All the paints, all the products that I use will be in the drop down box. I get all of my particular products from Capriole Shabby Chic, an online store. The link is there. You can get everything that I use in the US and Canada and Europe off Amazon, so I'm told. Oh wow, look at this. Wowzers, trousers. I hope you enjoy the puppy cam that I put on the beginning of this, trying to keep everybody up to date because I've had so many requests to keep my puppy cam progress of a litter of 9 Australian Shepherd puppies. They will be 4 weeks this coming Friday, so I hope you enjoy the updates on the puppies. And look at this, it's gone into absolute cell mania. Cell mania. Let me do a close-up for you. And of course, you'll see at the end the photos and see the colours, and the definition in those cells is just stunning. So that was another little turn up for the books. It's just gone absolutely beautiful. So that was with my Mont paints, my clear Mont clear craft glue, and as I said, the recipe for it and what I add to it is in the drop down box in the description underneath this video. So hope you enjoyed that little quick one. That was just a paint cup left over, and that's what I got. So super happy with that. That's lovely. So again, and we'll trek on because I've got a whole tray of all different colours made up, and I will go on to my next pour. So thanks so much for joining me, guys. Stay safe. Please call somebody if you're not feeling too good. Call a friend, call a helpline, call your family. Please don't suffer alone. If you're feeling a bit depressed, you need to talk to somebody, as we all do. So bye for now. Take care. Until next time. Well, hope you like that very quick little flip cup. My Nana joke for today is, what do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. Oh dear, yeah. They get worse. Okay, bye for now.